Hello guys, welcome here. Today we crochet this cute and festive tree. Basic single crochet only. It's kind for beginners. Make a knot first. Chain 7. Find the second back bump, make a single crochet. Be careful, hook goes above the yarn, then pull the yarn. That's the first stitch. Next one, single crochet. We mark the first stitch, be sure we can find it easily. Next, still single crochet, repeat like that to the end. Here are 6 stitches in total. Turn the work and chain 1. We are going to crochet the second row. 2 single crochet into the first stitch. The second single crochet. Here are 2 single crochet into the first stitch. We call it increasing stitch. Next one, single crochet. Next, the single crochet into 1 stitch. That's an increasing stitch too. Next, to single crochet into 1 stitch 2. Next one, single crochet. To single crochet into the last stitch. That's the second row. Chain 1 and turn the work. That's the third round, to single crochet into the first stitch. Mark the first stitch. Next, 3 single crochet 1 by 1. Next, to single crochet into 1 stitch. That's the first part. The second part is same with the first part. We get 14 stitches in total. That's the third row. We crochet the 4th and 5th row in the same way for increasing stitches per row. Next, the 6th row. We need combine the first 2 stitches to decrease 1 stitch. That's a decreasing stitch. Next, 7 single crochet 1 by 1. Next, a decreasing stitch. Here we get 9 stitches. Finish the second part in the same way. That's the 6th row. We get 18 stitches in total. We crochet the 7th row in the same way for decreasing stitches. That is the 7th row. We get 14 stitches in total. There are 6 rows left. From the 8th to the 11th row, increase 4 stitches per row. At the beginning, middle, and ending. The last 2 rows, decrease 4 stitches per row. At the beginning, middle, and ending too. We get the main part. Close the last stitch. Leave a long tail. Next, we crochet the second part with brown yarn. Chain 8. Slip into the first knot. Chain 1. Make a single crochet. Next, a single crochet. Mark the first stitch. Make single crochet 1 by 1. Here we get 8 stitches. Mark the last stitch. Next, the second round, slip into the first stitch of the first round. Chain 1. The second and third round are same with the first round. 8 single crochet per round, 1 by 1. Fold and sew it. sew the edges together. About 50 chains. We get the cute tree. It can be a bag charm. Thanks for your company.